Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. I'm going to try to keep this pretty short today. Big overnight session. They announced the 50% haircut at about 11 o'clock last night. We were trading around 1240, 1243 at that point, and we have not looked back since that time. High print this morning, 1269 half. Full disclosure, I am short from 69. With a couple handle stop, and I'm going to let that ruminate for the morning and see how it goes. The main reason why I'm short, and you guys know that I'm a pivot guy. It's probably how you found the webcast. I do my pivot points every morning. In my world, I look at the distance between price and the 45-day pivot as an indication of a turn. That's one of a number of things, but it's definitely one of the tools in my toolbox with respect to reversals. At the high point today, we were 82, I think 82 and a half handles above the 45-day pivot. When we reached the 1068 level, we were 82 handles below. So we're above 80 handles. It doesn't mean this thing can't run for another 5, 6, 7 handles. But what it does mean is that you've really got to be on the lookout for some kind of a pullback. I would not be getting long right now. We are up 30 plus handles, 2% overnight. GDP was in line. It didn't blow the doors off, and as far as Europe goes, we haven't really accomplished a whole heck of a lot. We've haircut the debt on one country, and there's a lot of other countries out there. So my concern is that, people are going to wake up with a hangover here. So enjoy the long ride up. I did last night, but this is not the time. If you haven't been long, don't get long now. The move's over. So we may be able to squeeze some more handles out of this move up here, but you need to look for a pullback at this point, and you got to be patient with it because they're going to try to run the weak-handed shorts out of town every chance they get, trying to pick this top. So just be careful with it. Let's do quick support and resistance. I'll let everybody get back to their morning. We are currently trading 1269.75. So on the upside, I've got 1277, 1283, 1286 half, and 1293. On the downside, I've got 1265.75, 1254 half, 1247 half, 1236.33, 1232.33, and that's the daily pivot. So we are 30 handles above the daily pivot. That's stretched. The 200-day exponential is 1231.40. Now the market appears that it wants to be above the 200-day exponential. We're probably going to print a whole day above the 200-day today. So that has got to be respected. And then I've got the 9-day pivot, 1226. Another level, 1218.80, and then the key 1213 level. That's enough for today. I don't think we're going to get below that. Trade them well. Be safe with your longs. Don't get cut up too much trying to pick this top. Use reasonable stops. When the pullback comes, it'll be apparent to everybody. So have a great day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader for Mr. Topstep. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning.